So you want to know how can you schedule Instagram posts? You are in the right place because today in this video I'll show you exactly how can you do that. All you need to do is to follow carefully with me and let's start. First, let's go to Play Store or App Store, and of course we have to make sure you have the app updated to the latest version, or at least don't have a very old version of Instagram. After that, you can finally go ahead and open the app. Now of course make sure you are logged into Instagram and then tap right here on this plus button at the bottom of the screen in the middle. And now from here, choose the picture or the post that you want to post, then tap on next in the top right corner. Now from here, edit if you want, and then tap on next again. Then tap on advanced settings from the screen. And right here, you should find this toggle that says schedule control. You can go ahead and open it. I don't have it now because I'm not on a professional account. If you are on a professional account, just carry on with me. Now just schedule the post from here and then you should be good to go. And that is it for this video, guys. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.